What are you doing at the weekend, Samira?
Karim and I are meeting our friends on Saturday afternoon. Would you and Ali like to come?
I'm sorry, Samira. I can't. I'm doing my homework on Saturday afternoon.
2.
What are you doing on Saturday morning?
Karim and I are visiting our grandparents. We are having lunch there. 3.
Are you free on Friday afternoon? Ali and I are going to the bird park with Mum.
I think we're free, but I need to ask Mum and Dad. Can I tell you tomorrow?
Yes, of course. I hope that you can come.
4. Layla and Ali are going to the bird park on Friday afternoon. Can Karim and I go with them?
Yes, you're free on Friday afternoon. You can go.
Great! I love going to the bird park.
Me too.